Well, hello everybody, welcome back to Mitten, Maine. Today we're just going to take a quick look at this LL 50mm brass padlock provided by Jack Fox. He hooked us up with a big package of locks and picks, which I get to take around and show people whenever I do anything in person, any kind of meets or demonstrations. But I sent a bunch of the locks around to vets and people helping with the group. Make sure his generosity gets spread around. There we are. Nice little single pin pick. Try to get a quick rake out of this too. Alright. LL padlock provided by Jack Fox.